Hello, it's Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Blood Bowl base. The NFL season's kicked off. Go Bucks. That is the team I support. If you're an NFL fan, I'd love to know who you support and I hope your team has a good season. But yes, anyway, NFL, Blood Bowl, American football, Games Workshop. So I'm going to show you how to make these bases. They are simple and quick. Here's a demonstration of a ref I did ages ago. And like Blue Peter, I've already kind of started to save you some time. So you can use any mud texture, but I use Sterling mud, applied that, it's dried, and then you can apply a wash of anything you want. I've applied Agrax Earthshade. Now we're going to get to the really quick process of making these bases, and you should have your Blood Bowl team based up in no time, or other fantasy football games. Yes, we get it. So firstly, we're going to use a lighter brown, and there you go, Goreful brown. And we're going to dry brush. If you don't know how to dry brush, essentially, you just do that. You work it into a tissue or a cardboard palette type of thing. You get most of it off, and then you have a little bit off, and then you slightly work it in lightly into the base. Back and forth, whatever motion works for you. I just like to do this one, slightly build it up, but not to the point where it's like super bright, but you can literally use different colors. I know some people who use Ushanti Bone, which is more of a creamy color, but I prefer Gorfan Brown. And already that is starting to pop. It has picked up all the high edges, and I am happy with that. And that is basically already the painting phase nearly done with this base. And there you go. Now you want to apply grass. So of course you're going to use PVA glue. You can use whatever colors you want. On my one I show in the beginning of the video, I just use this, the Army Painter Steeple Grass, but today I want a bit of color. So I may also use a bit of this. So I'm going to mix these two grasses together into a little Tupperware container, mix it up, and then apply it. And now we'll speed this up. So yes, you will now see me do this in super fast time. And there you go. There's the base done if you want to leave it like that, or we can take it a bit further. So I applied the grass and then I waited it to dry, and then I essentially copy and pasted and repeat the process just to make the grass that bit thicker. But now we're going to apply some white paint for the sidelines. So you could just use a brush or use a kind of popsicle stick. Paint the side white, apply it down, boof, and then you've got your sideline. I will now show you how to do that. And as you see, I've painted it white. I'm going to kind of go halfway, and you may have to do it twice. I'm thinking there. Down we go, push it for a bit, leave it. And then we'll wait for that to dry, and then we will do it again. And then that'll be the sideline done. And then you can already see it's starting to look more like a football pitch. And there you see I've done another layer of the white paint. That is technically your Blood Bowl base done, but wait a minute, I said Blood Bowl. You could add a bit of blood because it gets a bit tough sometimes on that pitch, you know? People trying to make first downs, get that winning touchdown, and it gets a bit bloody. So yeah, let's apply some blood. So try not to make a mess while using blood for the blood god. Use an old beat up toothbrush, and then all you want to do is flick it on. So I am going to attempt to do that now. I will use an old brush to apply it. It gets quite messy, so prepare yourself. There we go. That should be enough. I don't want to go too crazy. But then again, who knows? And then we just want to kind of angle it. And then you can keep doing that till you're happy with the result. And there you have it with some blood. It's been a bloody match by the looks of it. And that is a Blood Bowl base. Now, hopefully you liked this video. And if you did, if you could share, like, comment, that'd be greatly appreciated. And also, thank you to the people on screen The extra support is appreciated. You can actually become a free member on Patreon and just stay updated with free blogs I post. And also, I hope if you are a football fan, hopefully you have a fun season. Hopefully you get some good matches and your team does well. And yeah, if you want to speak hobby painting or just football in the comments, you're more than welcome. Let's keep it civil. Thank you again for watching. And if you want to see any other Blood Bowl related videos, let me know because it'd be fun to paint some minis up. All the best.